Okay, I'm going to show you how to buy web space, which is the first step to creating your own website. We're starting off at the instructablog.com homepage. On the bottom right, there's this Get Space option with a red button that looks like a shopping cart. I'm going to click on that. We're still at the Instructablog site here. This kind of explains why you need web space and what you can do with it. We're going to click on this big red button at the bottom of the page that says click to buy web space and a domain name. It's important to click on this button to go to the next site so you can take advantage of a coupon that's going to pop up. So go ahead and click on that red button. Alright, and then HostGator pops up. Now the first thing I want you to notice at the HostGator page is right here where my mouse is. There's a lot of times there's going to be a coupon there if you clicked on the link from Instructablog. The coupon is going to give you 20% off, 10% off, 15% off. Right now the coupon is for 20% off and the code is BEACH. So we want to write that down. We're going to use that later. I'm going to go here to the left and I just want monthly hosting. I'm going to click order now. Okay, now I need to pick a domain name. So I'm going to leave that option marked where it says register new domain, and then I'm going to type something that I want my domain to be. So www.mrsorinsky.com, or I could pick .net or .org. I'm going to stick with .com and click this next button. It says Mr. Sorinsky is available. It gives me the option to buy some more, but I'm okay with just this one. So I'm going to click the continue button. Alright, so I've got Mr. Sorinsky for a year at $15 a year, and I can renew it then at the end of the year. I'm picking the smallest package. Here's the domain name again, and I'm going to click continue. Alright, you could do it monthly, but it's going to be less expensive if you do it yearly. There's no setup fee and the monthly cost is less. So we're going to hit yearly and then we're going to type in that code. The code is only good for first time customers, so that's why you want to pick yearly so you can get the most for that coupon. You could always do 24 months or 36. You're probably just going to want to do a year. And then click on calculate totals. Alright, so here's our domain name, the cost for the domain, the cost for the web space, which is a total of $98.40, but we use the coupon, so we're doing this all for less than $80, which is pretty good. I'm going to click the continue button, and then they need my information. So I'm going to go through and give them all of my information about me so they can bill me. I need to put in my credit card number, which I'm obviously making up for right now, so you can't use my credit card. And I need to read the terms and conditions, check yes, and then click on verify my order. Alright, that brings you to the confirmation page. Just want to check all your information, scroll to the bottom, and click process my order. Alright, then you've got your confirmation page. It says that your order has been received by our billing system and has been approved. You have a transaction ID. You're going to get an email. It says that here, but I would print this page out just in case anything goes wrong. You can call the helpline. But let's go ahead and check our email for that to see if it showed up. Okay, so this is the email I got from HostGator. It's from welcome@hostgator.com. It's got some important information on here, so I'm actually going to print this out and save the email. It's got my domain name, my username, and my password on here. It's got some links on here. We're going to read this line. It says, if you purchase your domain name with us, the above links will allow you to view your domain before it has resolved. That's these two. Your domain may not be viewable for the first 24 to 48 hours depending on your location. So this MrCerinsky.com isn't actually going to be viewable for the first 24 to 48 hours possibly. So to work with the site, we're going to have to click on this button here, and anytime we want to see what the site looks like, we can click on this button here. So let's go ahead and do that. Right now there's nothing there. That's kind of a getting started page. But let's go ahead and log into our control panel or cPanel. Okay, so I'm going to type in my username and my password, and that's in the email I was just at. I'm going to click on login. Alright, so this is my cPanel. When it first pops up, it's going to ask you if you want to go through some setup steps. We're going to go ahead and click that. Click where it says no, I'm fine, thanks. Actually, first we're going to check this don't show again. No, I'm fine, thanks. And we're ready to go.